Alright, keyboard enthusiasts, check this out, the Gateron G Yellow Pro switches. These came pre-lubed, which is a huge time saver and a nice touch for anyone who doesn't want to mess around with lubing themselves. I know some of you love that process, but for me, instant gratification is where it's at. Plus, these are the linear kind, so smooth, straight up and down keystrokes. Perfect for gaming, and honestly just pleasant for typing too. Right out of the box, you can feel the difference the pre-lubing makes. They're incredibly smooth, no scratchiness whatsoever. It's like butter, seriously. They're rated at 50G actuation force, which is right in that sweet spot for a lot of people. Not too heavy, not too light. Just a nice, balanced feel. I've been using them for a while now, and they haven't disappointed. Gaming is definitely where these shine. The responsiveness is fantastic, and the smooth travel makes those quick movements feel effortless. Now, these are 3-pin switches, and they're compatible with Cherry MX style sockets, which means they should work with most mechanical keyboards out there. So, you've got some flexibility there. They also support different kinds of RGB lighting, 2-pin, 4-pin, and SMD. So if you're into the whole RGB thing, you're covered. The listing mentions they're from a brand called Qtithy, which I haven't heard of before, but honestly, the switches themselves feel really high quality. No complaints there. The packaging comes with 36 switches, which is enough for a standard full-size keyboard. If you're building a smaller keyboard, like a 60% or something, you'll have some spares, which is always nice. You never know when you might need a replacement. One thing I noticed is that the plastic housing feels pretty sturdy. They don't feel cheap or flimsy at all. Overall, the build quality seems really solid. So, who are these switches for? I'd say anyone looking for a smooth, linear typing experience, especially gamers. The pre-lubing is a huge plus, and it saves you time and effort. If you're new to mechanical keyboards or just want a hassle-free upgrade, these are definitely worth checking out. They're a great value for the price, and the performance is excellent. I've been using them for everything from gaming to coding to writing, and they've been fantastic. No complaints here. If you're looking for a smooth, linear switch without the hassle of lubing, give these Gateron G Yellow Pros a try. You might be surprised at how much you like them.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.